This OVB Quick Start Guide is focused on the Worksheet Explorer. To access this tool, once you are in your clinic dashboard, go ahead into your left-hand menu and click Worksheet Explorer. A note about our worksheets is that we have worksheets for all different ages and abilities. So you can either filter by name by typing it in the search box. You can scroll down and just kind of check everything out. Or you can use our filter system. It's the same as we use throughout the website. So over here on the left are your umbrella categories. So click, I'm going to choose information processing, and then I want to take a look at visual discrimination. Up here, you can also filter by level. And then once you've made your filtering, so I'm going to say level 1, and then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose fly swatter matching. Now I can't click on this because the video won't go to a different tab, but clicking on this will open it up in a separate tab where you can check it out more closely or you can print it. That concludes Worksheet Explorer.